Thanks for joining. Looking for healthy, natural strands? Here, I'll be discussing deep repair treatment on 4C coiled hair. Stay tuned. Next, we'll be applying Natural Strands Cocktail Shampoo. Shake well before use. Make sure you apply Natural Strands Cocktail Shampoo evenly throughout the entire strand. If the hair is longer, apply towards the ends first and then work your way up the hair shaft. But the goal is to get each and every strand saturated with the cocktail before you start to detangle. Moving brush from tips to roots helps to detangle hair. Before you give a good deep massage to your scalp and hair shaft, be sure to remove all tangles. A key component to healthy natural hair is to remember our hair is shedding 80 to 100 strands daily. Removing these shedded pieces of hair are very essential to the health of our natural hair strands. Next, rinse hair thoroughly. Follow this with Natural Strands Moisturizing Shampoo. Next, we'll be applying our deep repair treatment. We're going to do this in a series of steps. Pay close attention. Applying some apple cider vinegar to her scalp and to the newer versions of her hair. That's located from the scalp towards the mid shaft. I'll work that in really good. Next, I'll use the same routine as with the apple cider with my moisturizing conditioner, applying the product from the scalp down towards the mid shaft. Next, we'll be moving on to the more delicate parts of our hair. Here is where we will apply our deep repair treatment. This is for the oldest parts of our hair, located from the mid shaft towards the end. Now grab your dimming brush. Here is where we're going to make sure the product is evenly distributed throughout the entire hair shaft for maximum results. Keep that same energy. Continue these steps until you have done this to every hair strand on your head. Next, use a processing cap under a hooded dryer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once treatment is completed, rinse hair in cool water. Pay close attention to the scalp area. Remove all conditioners from scalp. If you're ready for a protective style, right after your deep repair treatment, use our Everday Miracle Treatment. Apply your Everyday Miracle Treatment in the same manner in which you applied your deep repair treatment, covering each and every hair strand on your head. Using a dimming brush, apply the Everyday Miracle Treatment. Start from your tips, work your way up to the root, making sure every area is covered and protected. Going into elongated twists, knotless braids, crochets, or some form of protective style, and you need to blow dry your hair, it's important to use Everyday Miracle Treatment for a shield of protection around your natural strands. Keep your blow dryer angled downward when blow drying your hair. This allows your cuticle layer to dry flat, locking in all the moisture your hair needs to support its strength during your protective process. Remember to keep that same energy during the entire blow dryer process. Keep your blow dryer angled downward to lock in all that moisture. When the natural hair is blow dried, I like to refer to it as unrolling the scroll. While in this state, you will clearly be able to read and assess the hair to see if you will need a trim. You are experiencing friction towards the end of the hair shaft while blow drying. These are clear indications that your ends need to be trimmed. Having a healthy hair routine will minimize the damage in your natural hair and create longer hair strands, ones that you can be proud of. Don't forget to treat, trim, and protect your natural strands. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy.